All right, house number 2. Got a nice sized yard. The view of the neighborhood. So this one, I kind of question the foundation. Let's see. So not on this side, but I'll show you when we get in. Right. So see a lot of damage, or a lot of cosmetic issues with this one. But when it comes to the foundation, this is when I see things like that right up against the house, I kind of question it. Come inside. This house is very similar to the last one as far as the layout goes, and you'll see, throughout the video. So as soon as you walk into a similar room, about the same size as the last one. This is a laminate, not real hardwood. You see some staining, some separation in the laminate. Let's see. Got a little coat closet. And then to the right of the front door, just like in the last house, this one has carpet in here instead of hardwood, or in this house's case, laminate. Small room, just like the last one. This would be like an office / exercise area for you. Again, you see a lot of separation in the laminate floors. Cosmetic, but something to keep in mind. Got a linen closet, carpet in it. It's kind of weird, but that's there. Then you got your first bathroom. Definitely a little dirty. Kind of looks like, I'm hoping this is dirt and not damage to the tub. It's hard to tell. This place just needs a really good cleaning. Possibly some good separation on the floor. This could have been a tenant occupied property. This kind of wear and tear is pretty common in rentals, so that wouldn't surprise me if that's what this was. Got some staining right there on the ceiling. I can't tell what that is. That could just be some kind of paint, because I see glitter. Can't really see it on the camera, but that could just be paint, but I can't really tell. All right, anyways, we got just a standard closet. Okay, moving on. Walk that way already. Before I get to the kitchen in the backyard, there is an area to go upstairs. Probably this way. So you got your living room, high ceilings. And you've got your kitchen. It's kind of weird to have that on the island, but But you got nice stainless steel appliances. So it looks like I'm not the only person that questioned the foundation, because also when you walk inside this house, you see all this separation between the laminate and the kind of the baseboards there. Even when you walk inside of this place, it kind of feels slopey. So, but they did have a engineer come out to take a look at it. So that's what these papers are. So down here in this section, you probably have to pause the video to kind of just read it. It says that the foundation is good, but I don't know. In my opinion, I'm still a little suspicious on it. And I would definitely want a second opinion on that. But overall, nice sized kitchen. Just like the last house, off the kitchen is the garage and the laundry room. Two-car garage. Okay. Then you got the master. This master's got carpet. Again, very similar to the last one. Easily fit any kind of furniture you want. Really nice sized closet. And you've got the master bath. Okay, this one's got a jetted tub. Got the shower. Got some nice newer tile on there. Dual vanity. That's your standard toilet area. Alright, and run upstairs really quick, and then we'll go to the backyard, and that'll be this house. Come up, again, carpet, got your doors, crawl space area. I'm not gonna show too much, you've seen that before. Alright, so you got a nice little hangout area, very clean. This is like the cleanest area in the entire house right here. New paint. This looks like newer carpet. Yeah, definitely new paint. You can tell they forgot to put the covers back on, the outlets. Nice closet right there. So this can be used as a bedroom or just a simple hangout area. But this is definitely the cleanest room in the house for sure. Take a quick look at this backyard. So, no patio or anything, but still a huge backyard. I mean, I don't think the camera is gonna give how big this backyard is any justice whatsoever, but very big. Got the shed. It looks like they fixed the fence in some areas. Overall, that fence is definitely a little older, but still in pretty good condition. But relatively private. I mean, you do have neighbors right next to you, but they're far enough away that you still have a lot of privacy. I am just standing in the middle of the backyard. I'm not even the back part of it yet. Let's walk a little bit farther and get a closer look at the shed. It looks like this is damaged. No, just an opening, but it's definitely a little beat up. termite damage, a lot of wood rot. You can see right there. So plenty of storage for sure. Let's see. Not quite sure what's going on. Nope, just a little sandbox. Nothing to worry about there. Yeah, so huge backyard, big fence. The layout is very similar to the last house. Now you kind of see the roof here. I'm still, like I said, I question the foundation, although they had an engineer come out and say it was good to go. Roof, I'd even probably have somebody come look at this roof. You can see some piece of it coming up. Can't really tell here, but that part that's on top of the gutter should not be there. So all right. This is house number 2.